Alright guys, what's up? I did danscomp unboxing, and I'm just gonna do another bike check on my 2012 Kink Barrier with my new parts and stuff. I got some stuff for Christmas, so like that'll be on my bike too. Alright, here we go. Alright, I got the Oddyseey parts, the Kink Alpha grips, the spunic brake lever in cream red with the lizardskin brake lever cover, Oddyseey cables, Kink bars, animal jump off Bmx Dans, S&M top plate, and Snafu detangler, a mission headset, stock pegs, Alienation black sheep rim with a duo stunner 10-wheel tire, and stock fork, Kink barrier frame, the Kink seat, stock seat post with a mission seat clamp, the Oddyseey Evo 2 brakes, KMC 710 SL chain, Oddyseey Berlin sprocket, mission transit cranks, animal Hamilton pedals, Oddyseey A brake pads, an Alienation black sheep rim with a demolition or duo brand tire, duo stunner, 10-wheel, and that's my bike. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Thanks.